In this video, I will show you the proper way to mix baking soda so that it can work better for all skin types. So many people, they feel that baking soda is not good for the skin. That is not true. I use baking soda sometimes, once in a while, to take away dead skin cells and more. So continue watching this video. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love natural way of taking care of your skin. Like and share this video. Let's go on. So subscribe so that you'll be getting so many beauty tips that will make you look younger, that will make you achieve a glowing skin. Yes, check my old videos. You will notice that there are lots of improvements from head to shoulder. Though if you see me personal, you will see that from my head to toe is looking so young than my age. All right, so the purpose of using the ingredients is to achieve great results. If you have skin problems, or if you have those that have skin problems, continue watching this video. All right, so here we have baking soda. The label is not here. Okay, baking soda is very good at exfoliating the skin, removing dead skin cells, and make you achieve a clear, beautiful skin, a brighter skin that glows. Baking soda helps to cure acne. It gets rid of black hairs. Like, it penetrates to unclog, to remove those black hairs, white hairs, to give you a smooth result. Because of those that have sensitive skin, you have to leave it on for some time, not a long time. Like, I will tell you when to wash it out to get perfect result. And also, mixing with other ingredients will dilute it and make it mild for you while achieving great results. So the next one is honey. Honey is a very good ingredient, anti-aging, makes you look younger, it glows the skin, makes you look so beautiful without makeup. Honey also gets rid of acne, it gets rid of pimples, it gives you a smooth skin. You will love it. Another benefit of honey is it brightens. Yes, not in a unnatural way. It brightens your skin to give your skin even, like it unifies the complexion, and you will love it. So the next one you have to get is tea tree oil. So I'm not here to advertise any product. Tea tree oil is very essential for all skin types and complexion. So the purpose of making this video is for those that have uneven skin tone. Different color here, different color here. Your face alone has so many colors, not even. This treatment will help to even your skin, make your skin to look the same, like just one. This treatment helps also to get rid of roughness of the skin. You touch your face, you are feeling some roughness. It helps to smoothen and make your skin to look so beautiful. Another benefit is it glows the skin. You want something that will glow your skin naturally, even with no makeup. You want to achieve a very glowing skin. Continue watching this video. Another thing is a brighter skin. Yes, it gives you a brighter, uniform skin. Another benefit is it exfoliates the skin to get rid of dead skin cells that makes you look so dull. You don't want your skin to look dull. That when you apply your skincare products, it will penetrate and work better. Alright, so after getting these three ingredients, baking soda, honey, and tea tree oil, it's time to show you the right measurements to mix together for best results. Add half tablespoon of baking soda. Then I added 1 tablespoon of honey. I added as well few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very good at clearing away pimples or acne. So mix them together. After mixing and your treatment is very thick, please increase the quantity of honey. After mixing and your treatment is watery, which is rare, you can add some baking soda. So mix until it is thick, in a thick smooth paste. Okay, and it's time to show you how to apply it. Please wash off makeup, remove all this, wash your face again to make sure it's not so dry, and let it be damp. Like now, my face is not dirty, but I'm using a wet wipes to damp it so that my treatment will be able to penetrate well and work better. So with the help of your hand, like using your fingers, or you can use a brush, please apply this treatment, avoiding areas around your eyes. Please just apply it all over your face. You can use it on your hand if you have a stubborn skin. that refuses to clear, that refuses to get uniform, please use this treatment. Thank me later. So go on and spread it all over. When you see people that have very good skin, some people are hereditary. You know, if you check their family, maybe it's like that in their family. But why some people, their skin is problematic, they will need to take care of it. Please use something like this as a foundation before your skincare products can work. This is also for those that their skincare products is not working. They are using it. They are using their skincare product. It's not working. They have tried everything. It's not working. Use this treatment before you apply your skincare products. Thank me later. But you have to make sure you get a very good skincare products, not chemically filled. We have very good skincare products, which I'm going to show you later. But for now, you have to leave this treatment on for 2 to 3 minutes if you have sensitive skin. Leave it on if you have oily skin or normal skin for 5 to 10 minutes. So I normally leave mine for 10 minutes or above. I have an oily skin and I'm just good. And this treatment is mild because of the honey in it and tea tree oil. So I'm going to leave it on for some time. Rinse it out. I'll be right back. So I just rinse it out. So what I did, on a running water, I just turned on the tap. I was just washing it, or you can turn on the shower, and I was scrubbing it as I rinse. I was scrubbing it as I rinse. So this is a proper way to do it, okay, so that it will exfoliate better. Baking soda is very good. Lots of people don't know that. This is a secret I'm sharing with you. Just use it twice weekly or 3 times weekly if you have roughness of the skin, if your skin is uneven, not uniform, if your skin is looking older. You know, honey helps to make you look younger. So you just love it, okay? And if your skin is dried out, please, the honey will help you greatly. Just apply it and be consistent with it. 3 times or twice weekly, you see your skin renewed, looking better. If you apply your facial cream, facial treatment, you see your face looking so beautiful with no makeup. Go on and try it. Thank me later. So use this treatment 3 times weekly, like I said, and also leave it on for the proper time I mentioned earlier, and thank me later. We have very good skincare products, natural, like natural. I'll give you the best. Just tell me your skin type and complexion, and I'll give you what is like suitable for your skin that you just love. Contact through that WhatsApp and I'll give you the best. We ship worldwide anyway. So go on and apply this treatment and apply a moisturizer after rinsing it immediately so that your skin will not be dried out. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and like this video. I will see you next time. Okay, this is what I just applied, tea tree oil. You can use it as your facial moisturizer. If you don't have one, you can use sunflower oil, you can use argan oil, you can use you know, they are very light oils that will not clog your pores. Thank me later. Bye.